Right, we're back on the record. The court's been asked to authorize a conservator and a guardian for Mr. Prater. May I have the names of our participants?
Michael McFarland, guardian ad litem. Mark, please introduce yourself to the court.
All right, right from right here.
Yeah.
All right, my name's Mark Prater. It's Prater by chance, just so you know. But thank you. Yeah, thanks. Thank you for everything.
Doug Hardin Jr. for the petitioner.
Tom Hardin.
C-A-R-D-E-N?
Correct.
A man with Huntington's disease, brain hemorrhage, epilepsy, and paranoid schizophrenia needs a guardian. His father-in-law is stepping up. Not because he has to, but because he promised his late daughter he would. 3 doctors say the condition will never improve. Watch this emotional testimony.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ariel Berger here as the attorney for Mark Prater.
Great, and at this point you have had a chance to talk with Mr. Prater?
Yes.
I have, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Mr. Hardin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. This is the date and time set for the petition for Mr. Hardin to become guardian and conservator for Mark Prater. I would like the record to note that process serving has occurred properly in this matter, and Mr. Prater's children have actually signed waivers and consents. They're in the file, granting authority to Mr. Hardin to have this role. With the court's permission, I would ask that Mr. Hardin be sworn in.
Okay, Mr. Hardin, come on up to our witness stand. Before we do that, any comments by our other attorneys?
Your Honor, I have submitted a guardian ad litem report to the court, which I recommended the petitions.
Any comments, Ms. Berger?
Thank you, Your Honor. My client thinks that having his family support him is a great thing, and he is in agreement with the guardianship and conservatorship and with the proposed guardian and conservator.
Thank you. Deputy?
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes. There's a step there, be careful.
Scooch right up to that microphone if you don't mind. Mr. Hardin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Hardin, give us your full name, please.
Thomas Wesley Hardin Jr.
And where do you live at, sir?
2991 Airport Road, Adrian.
And how old are you?
72.
And do you know Mark James Prater?
Yes.
How do you know him?
My son-in-law.
How long has he been your son-in-law for?
Since
About 20 years.
about 20 years.
Yeah, it's been that.
He's married to your daughter.
Yeah.
Yes, he was.
And
Yes.
she has previously passed away.
Yeah.
You're here today asking Judge Sala to consider appointing you as conservator and guardian for Mr. Prater. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You are well aware of the problems he has had health-wise,
Oh, yes.
and you've read the reports from the doctors that have been submitted in this case, correct?
Correct.
And those are accurate summaries of his physical and mental condition.
Yes.
Where is Mr. Prater living at this point in time?
Right now he's living in, my daughter, she has a rental house on Alice Street
In Adrian.
in Adrian.
He actually owns a piece of real estate here in Adrian, is that correct?
That's correct.
But that is not fit for him to live in at this point in time.
Correct.
You and others have been working towards making that a habitable place, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Why do you want to do this?
Well, I promised Pam that I would. And he needs help. There's no one else.
Okay.
I'm retired. Okay. So I have time with the kids don't. But I guess the biggest one is I promised Pam.
You're comfortable taking care of his finances
Yes.
and taking care of the house? He owns another piece of real estate too, or just that one?
He's got another property out. Where is it? Townley Highway. Yeah.
Okay. And you're comfortable helping him with his medical decisions and things of that nature,
Yes.
is that correct?
Yes.
You would have no problem making that medical decision for him if need be.
Correct. Yeah.
And in fact, when he was recently hospitalized, you were the one that went to the location, picked him up, and made sure that he was brought back to town.
Well, I didn't pick him up in Toledo. Sandy picked him up. That's
Okay.
my daughter. And
Okay.
brought her back.
All right. Is there anything else you'd like to say to Judge Sal as to why you believe you're appropriate for this job?
Well,
The father-in-law just revealed he's been trying to help for a year, but keeps hitting walls. Doctors won't talk to him. Social Security won't talk to him. Kroger won't tell him about the pension after 35 years of employment. Why? He's not legally authorized. That's about to change.
Mark can live. He can sort of function, but handling finances and stuff like that, he's really susceptible to someone taking advantage. And what I feel my job, or what I want to do, is see if the best I can to get him in a situation where there's people that will care for him, get his medicines, make sure he's taken care of, and put him in a safe, environment. Okay. Right now, he does things that are hazardous for a regular person, but with some of the physical ailments and stuff like that, he could really get hurt. And I guess I look at it. That's my task, to get him into that situation somehow. I don't exactly know how yet, but I need permission to even get questions answered. Almost a year now, when I try to talk to the doctors or his past employer, so I get, nope, can't talk to you. So
There was an issue with his pension.
yeah, 35 years with Kroger, I think, something like that. One, we don't know for sure why he's gone. He says he retired, but after 35 years, there's nothing. There's no information as what happened to any retirement, any funds, anything. So I need to be able to find out what is there. And then the Social Security, I've tried to talk to them about disability, and I don't get any place there either, because I have to tell them that I'm his guardian, his legal caretaker, and I'm not. So they won't talk to me either. So I can't find out what we can have available there to help find him, a place. And like I said, with the cash, the money, he's getting a endowment or something from Pam from her job. So he has that money coming in, but too many people that want to take advantage of that. And I need to stop that.
Okay.
If that answers the question.
Thank you. That's all I have right now. Mr. McFarland or Ms. Berger may have a few questions of you.
Ms. Berger?
I have no questions, Your Honor.
Sir, just briefly, your daughter Pam, Mark's wife, she's passed out, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. And you have no criminal history, correct?
Correct.
You have no history of involvement with Child Protective Services or Adult Protective Services, correct?
Correct.
Was there also a property up north, or is that Townley Highway? Is that what we're talking about?
That Townley Highway.
Okay, misunderstood. And you've not filed for bankruptcy, correct?
Correct.
And there are no active collections against you, correct?
Correct.
Okay. I have no further questions, Shirley.
Thank you. Any redirect?
No, thank you.
Thank you for your testimony.
Thank you.
Return your seat. Anyone else you'd like me to hear from, Mr. Hartog?
Not today, thank you.
Okay, Ms. Berger?
I have no witnesses, Your Honor. Mr. Prater is okay with me making the statements on behalf of him.
No witnesses, Your Honor.
Okay, good then. Any comments in closing, Mr. Harton?
Just to ask the court to grant the petitions. Thank you.
I would mirror that. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yep, let's go to Ms. Berger next. Any comments?
We have no additional objections, Your Honor. My client is very aware of some of the troubles he faces, and he's thankful that he has the family support that he does.
Mr. McFarland?
I would mirror those thoughts, Your Honor.
Very good. Well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's hearing. I have reviewed and can confirm there are those waivers in the file, as referenced by Mr. Hartung as well, filed by Mr. Prater's children, indicating that they have no objection and, in fact, support the appointment of Mr. Hardin as guardian and conservator in this file. For purposes of looking at whether or not someone needs a guardian or a conservator, obviously I listened to the testimony of our witnesses, and I reviewed the pleadings and the information in support of those pleadings. With this particular case, I have not one, but 3 reports from different doctors outlining quite a few challenges that Mr. Prater is facing. The first is from, it looks like a Dr. Lawrence Elmer from the Ohio area with a specialty in neurology, who indicates as of last March 2023, the patient has a diagnosis of Huntington's disease, which causes severe cognitive and physical impairments. The cognitive impairment in Mr. Prater results in impulsive behaviors and extremely poor decision-making abilities. In my professional opinion, his ability to receive and or evaluate information and making decisions is severely impaired. He notes as of March that the patient had been recently hospitalized and he did not have access to his current list of medications. But nevertheless, as a result of the doctor's observations, he found at that time that Mr. Prater was unable to make informed decisions in the area of determining where to live, consenting to supportive services, handling personal financial affairs, and authorizing or refusing medical treatment with a prognosis of poor. He notes the condition is progressive and degenerative. Worsening of his condition is expected. On February 6, 2023, Dr. Stephen Sherman examined Mr. Prater as well, confirmed the Huntington's disease, and also noted sequela of traumatic hemorrhage of the brain and epilepsy, causing memory problems, impulsivity, and abnormal behavior. He does indicate some 2 different medications, but despite that, he also notes a prognosis of poor, as well as an inability to make informed decisions in the same areas that the previous doctor did. Also concurring with those conclusions is a final doctor who indicates at an examination on January 19th of 23, he found Mr. Prater to suffer from a seizure disorder and paranoid schizophrenia. He's not able to make meaningful decisions in his own life. He needs a guardian. There are a couple of medications prescribed for that as well, but despite those intended to alleviate the symptoms of these diagnoses, he finds the following conclusions with a prognosis of will never improve. There is plenty of support here to indicate that Mr. Prater is in need of a guardian. We also have the testimony about the assets that Mr. Prater has that needs management so that he can continue to enjoy those and the benefits of those and use those things for his continued care. Mr. Hardin is the appropriate person for that. He has demonstrated that he's established a relationship with Mr. Prater and has outlined very good plan for what he would like to use his guardianship and conservatorship powers to do, which I will take a moment to say I appreciate and was very articulate. It will be the order of the court, noting that we had clear and convincing evidence that Mr. Prater is an impaired, incapacitated individual as the law describes it, with the need for a full guardian. Mr. Thomas Hardin is appointed in that capacity, as well as the need for a conservator to manage those assets for all the same reasons. I am signing orders to the effect for both purposes. Unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for sharing with me about your family, and I wish you the best of luck moving forward.
Judge's ruling. Full guardianship and conservatorship approved. 3 doctors confirmed the man can't make informed decisions. The prognosis will never improve. The father-in-law kept his promise to his late daughter. He can now access doctors, Social Security, and pension info to get his son-in-law proper care. Should family always step up like this? Comment below.